Yeah, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a new project that you guys need to have on your radar called Novastra, which is looking very good as of right now. I do not hold a position. I am not in the private sale in it. It's not out just yet, so I'm putting this on you guys' radar just in case you guys are pretty interested in this one as of right now, because it does look pretty interesting. So before we get into talking about all of that, I would like to ask you guys, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We're on the road to 20K subscribers. If you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment what you guys think down below and why you guys are down here. You guys can hit that Discord link to join the Discord to continue the crypto conversation we're having daily, and you guys can ask your most important question, which is how does that Patreon group work. As you guys know, we have been getting into some bangers of private sales, OTC deals, making some good calls on the open market. Overall, a good community, and Patreon has a deal going on as of right now where you guys can check it out at a discounted price. Get your feet wet, check out the community, see if you like it or not, right? Check that out. And don't forget to check out my ebook, The Essentials to Mastering Tokenomics. It says this will help you guys pick out the best gem in your cryptocurrency portfolio once you're able to understand everything that goes into a crypto, from the market cap, FDV, circulating supply, vesting schedule. All of that is essential to you guys picking out the next gem in your cryptocurrency portfolio. So links will be in the description and in the comment section down below. Let's get right into the video, guys. So right now, as you guys can see, Novastra is targeting $20 million in upcoming RWA. It's a new player focused on tokenizing real estate private equity with a strong early momentum. Now, this is the first tweet that actually put Novastra on my radar because I didn't even hear about it before. So now I did. Once I seen it, I actually took a little deeper dive into Novastra, and it actually does look pretty interesting. So Nova is a AI powered L2 for tokenization of real world assets and managing real world assets. As of right now, we're looking at the fundraising here, right? The fundraising they did raise back in January here, the 9th of January. They raised $1.2 million, nothing too crazy at that. And then I didn't see not too many big investors, but it's okay. They don't need too many crazy big investors, but X21 Digital is here, Double Peak Capital is here, Venture Capital is here as well. So this is the people that they raised with, right? So going on to some more here. So Novastra is tokenizing RWAs like real estate. Of course, you got IP, and implementing fractional ownership to reduce entries of barrier. It makes tokenization so easy by providing a platform that streamlines the entire process for business and developers. So Nova also facilitates easy integration with previous systems, enabling them to tokenize assets, right? Now, these guys also are introducing what they call SPV, which is special purpose vehicles, right? In a physical world, an SPV is a legal firewall, a company created to hold a specific asset while keeping risk compartmentalized. In Nova's world, SPV live on chain, managed by smart contracts, monitored by compliance oracles, and designed with plug-and-play legal templates for jurisdictions across the globe. This setup ensures both legal enforceability and regulatory compliance, which are critical to institutional adoption. This is huge, right? So the role of SPV. So SPVs are legal entities used to hold individual real estate assets, separating financial and legal risk. They also provide a legal wrapper around tokenized assets, giving clarity and enforceability to investors, essential for compliant real estate tokenization framework, essentially important to the projected $16 trillion RWA market by 2030. Now, another thing that makes Nova pretty interesting is it pretty much is cross-chain, right? Nova extends those Ethereum-based tokens across chain, including Arbitrum, Sui, Solana, and other, using a cross-chain execution contract and messaging framework, all while the assets maintain their compliance and provenance on Ethereum while gaining speed and accessibility across high performance network. This design unlocks liquidity where users can trade or deploy RWA tokens across multiple DeFi ecosystems without fragmented ownerships or legal clarity. This is huge, right? So things sound pretty good right now for Nova. And when you head pretty much to their website here, you also get that Nova is a RWA-Fi layer 3 for EVM and Aptos ecosystem. So it seems like some of the jargon have changed and they haven't pretty much updated on their website. So that is kind of a red flag as well. But the testnet has ended here, and we see some of their partners here. I wish that we could click onto that because there was no other tab that I could see where their partners are. But we see Redstone here, which is an Oracle, Allura Labs here, Brilliant. Those are pretty much the ones I really do know. Oh, and Plena, right? And you can scroll down here. They're going to have their native stablecoin, which is going to be RUSD, right? The turnkey tokenization services. You're going to have AI powered RWA finance, unlocking yield from tokenized assets. And that's a lot of what's all on their website. I do wish there was more to it, like to see where the team is and things like that. Now also look into what Altquant had to say, right, for the bullish case scenario and bearish case scenario for Nova, right? So the bull case, 30K monthly USDC reward program for the top RWA yappers. This is those that are on, you know, X, pretty much doing their whole content there. They're talking about Nova and things like that, right? So there's a reward program going on for that. You got the cross-chain RWA tokenization platform with Arbitrum and Solana support. That is pretty huge. Real estate fractional ownership with rental yield distribution to token holders. That is also huge, right? So dev tools and upcoming portals suggest that they're building infrastructure, not just a narrative. Now for the bear case scenario, RWA sector is crowded and most projects overpromise, underdeliver. Huge. That is true. KYC verification required for token trading. Friction that kills momentum. And I wanted to point that out because I do think that is something that also hindered Red Belly as well, because if you guys want to do anything there, you do have to KYC your wallet to even be able to transact, get the tokens onto their chain, things like that. So that is a little bit, you know, that is a little bit hard that some people probably don't even want to do, right? Real estate tokenization has regulatory headwinds, right? Weekly USDC distribution could be unsustainable if it's not backed by real revenue. And here's the reality check. The RWA narrative has been hot, but most projects just tokenizing spreadsheets. Nova's approach with actual rental yields and cross-chain infrastructure is more serious than most. So you got your bearish and you got your bullish case for Nova here. This is going to be dropping pretty soon. It does look interesting. I'm going to wait to see how it looks when it drops on the open market, because as you guys know, my bullish projects when it comes down to RWAs include Colat, Plume, and Red Belly. Red Belly and Plume are pretty much the infrastructures that I'm pretty bullish on as of right now, right? And if Nova comes around a decent evaluation where it's not too crazy, I'm gonna wait for the airdrop people to, you know, finish their selling and things like that. We'll see if we're able to get this at a decent evaluation. I don't think this should be higher in market cap than Plume, because Plume is already as a mid cap as of right now. I don't even think it should be as high as Red Belly, even though Red Belly isn't that high as of right now. So time will tell how things will play out for the whole RWA narrative and how Nova will look when it drops. But you guys let me know how you guys feel about it in the comment section down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We're on our road to 20K subscribers, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.